It turns out exercise is really beneficial for our brains, and not just brains in general, but ADHD brains in particular. So when you exercise, what actually happens in your brain? I spent a month and a half looking into it with the help of doctoral candidate Patrick LeCount, who happens to be researching the impact of exercise on ADHD. Scientifically speaking, when you exercise, there's basically a huge neurotransmitter party in your brain. During exercise, your body releases happy chemicals, aka endorphins. You may have heard of them. At the same time, exercise also boosts dopamine and norepinephrine, the same neurotransmitters that stimulant medication increases in order to help us focus. What? This all happens pretty quickly, which is why you tend to feel happier and more productive for an hour or two after you work out. It's also why you might sleep better that night and not feel as stressed. But there's a long-term brain benefit too, and it's something you've probably never heard of. Exercise increases production of something called BDNF. BDNF is a protein that basically acts like fertilizer for the brain. How? It promotes neurogenesis, aka the creation of new brain cells. Yes, fellow nerds, when you exercise, you are literally growing your brain. Yeah, exercise produces the same brain chemicals that are in our stimulant medication. And so I'm not saying that we can necessarily replace our medication with exercise, but we can supplement it with exercise. And for some people with more mild ADHD, they might be able to. I personally use exercise because it makes me feel better. It makes me feel better. It makes me think better. It makes me feel better about myself. I don't love to exercise. Sometimes I'm very bored doing it, but I invest in tools that either help me exercise or make it more fun because I know how important it is for my brain function. It helps me prevent depression. It helps me manage my anxiety. It helps with my mood overall. It helps my brain focus. There are so many reasons that I exercise, and it's not even for my body anymore, really. It's mostly for my brain.